Hey, Brandon here from OSI Go Direct, your DIY security product online store. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery off the OSI window door contact sensor. Now if you have a different brand, you can still watch this video and learn something because battery replacement is quite similar off these wireless contact sensors. Now I pull this off of my door for video purposes, but typically you would leave it on the door or the window and you won't have to pull this off as long as you can access underneath. If for some reason you can't access that hole, then you'll have to peel this off, and once you do that, it's no longer sticky and it will fall off if you try sticking it on again. So you'll just have to replace the 3M backing, and you can get 3M backing from Walmart or the dollar store for $1 or $3 or so. I got mine from Walmart for $3. Now if you do that, you'll have to peel off the old backing, and I recommend using a razor blade, something like this, or a utility knife, and you can peel it off in less than a minute. Now I've done that several times, so I know it's pretty easy to take off. So if you're ready, what we're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, preferably a larger one. Those little tiny ones can snap or crack the backing. Because it's plastic and you're putting too much pressure in a small area. So it's better if you have a wider flathead, something like this. Then you're going to need a replacement battery. It uses model 2450. And it's a 3-volt lithium battery, and it costs about $5 from the store. So if you're ready, I'll show you how to replace the battery in just a few minutes right after this. Hey everyone, welcome back. Now I'm going to replace the battery really quickly here. We got our battery, the door sensor, and then the flathead screwdriver. So we're going to lift this up, and underneath you're going to see a little hole. So you're going to take your flathead screwdriver, and in between you can see a little thing that kind of pops out. If you squeeze in between there, it kind of pops out a little bit. So put a little bit of pressure in there and then twist it. Give it a little twist, just like that. See? Opens really easy. So then just with your fingers, you can just pry it open. Don't worry, it's not gonna break. So put that down. And inside the housing, you see a circuit board with the battery. But the battery you cannot access because this is actually metal that's the battery seated in between. So we're just gonna pop this out. So right here, you'll see a little place where you can stick that in and just give it a tiny little pressure and pry it open. And that circuit board comes out really easy. Now, inside, you see it has a notch on one side and it's open on the other. So from the notch side, we're just going to push the battery out with the same flathead screwdriver. So just push it out like that. See? There you go. So now we'll put the new battery in, and it's plus side facing upwards. So the plus side facing up, and then you just stick it in there nice and tight. And now we just got to seat this back into the housing. And by doing that, you will see a double line there, and then you see a single line. That single line has a little notch in there. So with the battery side of the circuit board, you're gonna seat that in there into the groove, so that seats in there perfectly. And then you're just gonna drop this in, and then you apply pressure, just a little bit of pressure until it snaps on the other side. There, now it's in there. So we got to put the back plate on. All we do is just line that big notch with the big hole there, and we're just going to line it up and snap it anywhere you want. Doesn't matter, it's going to pop in. And that is all. I hope this helped you out. It is quick and easy. Thank you. Well, we hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give us a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop us a comment below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. All the products that you see on our channel are available with free shipping at osigodirect.com or amazon.com. Those links are provided in the description below. My name is Brandon Paris, and thank you for watching.